Oh. Otto.
Outside, come on.
Eto.
Come on,
Eto, no, 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 no.
Come on. Hi.
Like, I cannot believe I did that. And I didn't record that. That's why we're going to have to do it like tomorrow and just have the whole thing recorded. Me gusta. Me gusta el porno. I can't believe I said like me gusta Skyrim. Me gusta porno. I like Skyrim and apparently I like porno. That is insane.
Vacuum now.
Don't vacuum. Before or after? Oh. Boya. Otto. Boya. I think I just went from Korean to Jap to Korean again.
Just like the wild sing a song like we're singing. Oh, baby, yeah.
Smile for the camera, gorgeous.
Yeah, that's my. What?
Sat down. I said smile, gorgeous, and they just like smiled and then sat down. Oh, oh, cute. Well, not that, but.
I swear, if you go on Facebook.
Wow. What, if I put this on Facebook?
Yeah.
Better than that, I'm putting this on YouTube.
Be like, are these two really alive?
Y'all, high on life. High on life. Hot. Let me vacuum. My hair's a mess because the wind's insane. What? Oh yeah.
I just love vacuuming up fur feathers in the morning.
Oh, vacuum. Me gusta Yeah, post for me. Nope. Nope. She's trying to eat me alive with a vacuum cleaner. Boya! What are you doing?
What's it look like?
Trying to eat me alive with a vacuum.
Okay.
Yeah, so she says. Stop farting.
I'm not farting.
And what was that? Well, you're still farting. Either way, it's coming out of your body.
What? Carbon dioxide?
Among other things.
Something that plants breathe?
Among other things.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, indeed.
Way to hit me with the cord.
Yeah, I meant to do that. Meant to do that.
I want to see your Khajiit.
I'm sorry, that just had a double meaning right there.
Yeah, blame Skyrim. It's amazing, and it has so many sexual innuendos. You have no idea.
Dude. Okay, if this seriously does go on YouTube, I don't act this way. I don't know, being with this person right here,
Nah.
it's crazy. You kind of get sucked into it.
Yeah.
Huh, me no gusta.
Porno. Yeah, I had to say it. Porno.
Are you really going to put this on YouTube?
Probably.
You better not.
I'm gonna watch it first. I'm gonna watch all the videos that I've recorded so far today, and I'll see which ones are good for YouTube or not.
You better not. I don't want to be on freaking YouTube.
Why not?
Because
You're beautiful. Beautiful? You're beautiful. Beautiful.
Okay, I'm worried now.
Wait.
I'm worried now, Marie.
Why?
Seriously, I'm worried now.
Why?
Because you're crazy.
Hey, you're friends with me. Doesn't that make you crazy too?
Just a little bit, but I think you're way out of my caliber.
Thank you. I take that as compliments. Thank you very much. Cause it's not good to be normal. It's good to be weird.
Sweet.
And everybody knows it. She's singing, I'm sexy and I know it. She's just so pretty.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. What is this lack of self-confidence here?
Gee, I don't know. You being recording me every 5 freaking seconds? I wonder.
Oh, that was a good frame right there. Oh, yeah. Oh, that looked like you were a model right there. Oh.
I'll be a model in a minute.
Be a model for your Khajiit.
What the frick are you talking about?
Khajiit.